thinks he's an elf.
I'm sorry, what?
He thinks he's a Christmas elf.
Oh, come on, Roger. I'm sure he doesn't actually think he's an elf.
Then I traveled to the 7 levels of the candy cane forest, past the sea of swirly, twirly gumdrops, and then I walked through the Lincoln Tunnel.
So where were you for the last 30 years?
North Pole. Can you pass the maple syrup, please?
I didn't put... It's spaghetti.
You know what? I think I have some. Yes.
You like sugar, huh?
Is there sugar in syrup?
Yes.
Then yes. We elves try to stick to the 4 main food groups: candy, candy canes, candy corns, and syrup.
So, will you be staying with us then?
You mean I can stay?
Of course you can. How long do you think you'll be with us?
I hadn't really planned it out, but I was thinking like forever. Emily, can I just speak to you for a minute in the kitchen, please? Are you crazy? He cannot stay here.
Clearly, he has some serious issues. We can't just throw him out in the snow.
Why not? He loves the snow. He's told me 15 times.
Walter, he's your son.